Ready to level up your trading game? IC Markets offers a professional-grade trading environment trusted by traders worldwide. In this video, we'll show you why IC Markets stands out in the online trading world. All official links for IC Markets, Fusion Markets, Exness, and Bybit are in the description below. Always double-check that you're on the real website to protect yourself from scams. IC Markets isn't just about trading tools, it's about trust. They operate on a foundation of integrity, honesty, fairness, transparency, and strong corporate governance. Whether you're new or experienced, IC Markets is committed to providing an environment where your success is supported with reliability, flexibility, and constant innovation. At IC Markets, the mission is clear, so give traders the lowest possible spreads in all market conditions. Their raw spread account offers spreads from 0.0 pips, with over 25 institutional-grade liquidity providers feeding real-time pricing. This means you trade with deep liquidity, no requotes, and tight pricing around the clock. In trading, speed is everything, and IC Markets delivers. Yeah, their servers are hosted in NY4 and LD5 data centers right next to the liquidity providers, using dedicated fiber optic lines. This setup allows ultra-low latency and blazing fast execution. You get in and out of the market with precision. IC Markets partners with the best in fintech to bring you cutting-edge tools, depth of market, DOM, inbuilt spread monitors, automated trading features, ladder trading, one-click execution. Whether you're on desktop or using their optimized mobile apps, your trading is smooth, fast, and customizable. You can trade from 1 micro lot to 200 lots with a smart pricing engine that scans and ranks offers from multiple liquidity sources. The result, better fills, lower slippage, and more control over your trade sizes. Plus, flexible leverage up to 1 to 1,000 and deposits in 10 major currencies make it simple and efficient. At IC Markets, support is more than just a help desk. Their experienced team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to assist with real trading insights and solutions. Trade with peace of mind. IC Markets Global is regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles. All client funds are held in segregated bank accounts, never used for business operations. And with external audits and strict internal controls, your capital is in safe hands. IC Markets was founded to bridge the gap between retail traders and institutional-grade conditions. Their goal? Deliver execution quality, pricing, and tools that were once only available to banks and elite investors, now accessible to traders like you. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to go to the official IC Markets website. Also find account creation videos for IC Markets, Fusion Markets, Exness, and Bybit below. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid scams. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, IC Markets provides everything you need to trade with confidence. Low spreads, cutting-edge technology, fast execution, true transparency. IC Markets, where smart traders go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more trading insights, and check the description for all the official links. Trade smart, trade secure with IC Markets.